Question is find the roots of the following quadratic equation by applying quadratic formula. Okay, so first we will compare 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0 is the equation. So since we know ax square plus bx plus c is our standard equation. Okay, so we can write comparing with. So a value is 2, b value is coefficient of x, that is minus 7, and c is 3. So we can write x value formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute the value. See, b is minus 7 and here in formula minus b is there. So minus is already there, b value is minus 7 plus minus b is minus 7 square 4a and c. Okay, divide by 2 into a. So 2 into 2. Now minus into minus 7 means plus 7 will come. Plus minus 7 minus 7 square means 49. Okay. Then 4 into 2 into 3 means 24. Divide by 4. So 7 plus minus 49 minus 24 we can write 25. So root of 25 is 5. So here x, two values we got here, 7 with plus sign and with minus sign. So therefore x is 12 by 4 means 3 and here 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. Question 2, 2x square plus x minus 4. So here also comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A coefficient, x square coefficient, that is 2, b is 1 and c is minus 4. Now we will apply formula here. So minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a is the formula. Substitute all the values here. So b value is 1 minus 1. Minus is there in formula. Then 1 square minus 4 into a, that is 2, and minus 4, that is c. Divide by 2 into 2. So we will get here minus 1 plus minus. See, minus minus will give plus. Okay. And here 32 we will get here. Okay. After multiplication 32. Divide by 4. So final answer will be root 33 by 4. So therefore two values of x we can write, minus 1 with plus sign or with minus sign. Four x square plus 4 root 3 x plus 3. So a value, now a value is 4, b value is 4 root 3 and c value is 3. So we can write formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus 4 root 3 plus minus 4, okay, minus is not there, 4 root 3 square minus 4 a and c. Divide by 2 into 4. So minus 4 root 3 plus minus. See, 4 square is 16 and root 3 square means 3 only. Okay. And here 4 16 into 3. Okay. So that means in root term we will get 0. Root term will be 0 here. So x will be minus 4 root 3. Okay, plus minus is plus minus 0. So I am not writing. That root is 0 only. 48 minus 48 will give 0. Divide by 8. So we can write 4 we can cancel. So answer will be minus root 3 by 2. Okay. Now here you can say x square means degree is 2. So the root or solution should be 2. But here only one solution we got here, isn't it? So we can write that this is the solution and it is repeating. Okay. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2 or minus root 3 by 2. Okay, two solutions are there, both are same. Sometimes we get two solution, both are different. Sometimes we get two solution, both are same. Okay, and sometimes we don't get any solution if we get uh, that root term negative. So root of negative number does not exist. So we can say that. Okay, so these are the three what we can say options, means we can get real roots, these are the real numbers, real roots, different roots, real and different, real and equal, here both are equal, and not real. Two x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. So a value 2, b is 1 and c is 4. So write the formula first, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus 1 plus minus b square means 1 square minus 4a and c divide by 2 into 2. So x value you will get minus 1 plus minus 1 minus, see here 32 you will get, isn't it? Divide by 4. So x is minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 32 is minus 31 divide by 4. Now you can say root of minus 31 is not real, isn't it? Therefore roots are not real. Therefore roots do not exist. Okay, since root of negative number is not there till this class, okay, so we can say root is not real, so roots do not exist. So this is the third nature of root which I mentioned in last question. Question number 3, x minus 1 by x equal to 3, where x is not equal to 0. So here first we should simplify the equation. Okay. Now in this question it is not given use factorization method, use splitting the middle term or formula method. So you can opt for any method. So we will check which type of equation we'll get here. So first we should cross multiply. Okay. So x square minus 1 by x equal to 3 we will get. This x in the denominator we can shift to the right. Then this 3x, because standard form is ax square plus bx plus c, means x square term, then coefficient of x term, and then constant term. So this is your equation. Okay. Now if you see the constant term minus 1 and product should be minus 1 and sum should be minus 3. So it is not possible in rational number, I think. Okay, so we will go with the formula method. So a is 1 here, b is minus 3 and c is minus 1. So x will be minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So write all the values here, minus b minus 3. So minus minus plus minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1, 4ac, isn't it? So 3 plus minus 3 square means 9 and minus minus 4 ones are 4. Divide by, here I didn't write 2 value, no? So 2 into 1, that is a value is 1, so 2 into 2. 2 into 1 is 2. So 3 plus minus 9 plus 4 is 13. Divide by 2. Okay, so 2 root we got here since root 13 is not a perfect square. 13 is not a perfect square. So x is equal to 3 plus root 13 whole divided by 2 or 3 minus root 13 whole divided by 2. One by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equal to 11 by 30. So here also we will do cross multiplication first. Okay, so x minus 7 minus x plus 4, write in bracket, divide by multiplication of both the denominator will come and right hand side will remain same, that is 11 by 30. Now we can open the bracket in numerator, minus x minus 4. Okay, sign will change. And here we can open the bracket using distributive property. So suppose with x, if you want to open, multiply x with the second bracket plus 4 with the second bracket. So see in numerator, x minus x will go. Okay, minus 7 minus 4 means minus 11. And here x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28. See from numerator both to the right and left we can cancel 11, isn't it? So we can write in numerator now minus 1 is left. So we can write minus 1 divide by. Now these two like terms we can add here, isn't it? So minus 3 we will get, x square minus 3x minus 28 equals to 1 by 30. Now do cross multiplication. So we will get here x square minus 3x minus 28 equals to minus 30. This minus 30 we can shift, minus 28 plus 30 equals to 0. Okay, so x square minus 3x, 30 minus 28 is 2. Now here if you want to find factor we can find easily. Why? Because see, product should be 2 and sum should be minus 3. So that number will be 2, 2 ones are 2 and minus 2 minus 1 means minus 3, isn't it? So by splitting the middle term we can solve this one. So we can write x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. Now from the first two term we will take x common, so x minus 2. Here nothing is common means minus 1 we can take common. So bracket x minus 2, x minus 1 equal to 0. So x minus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. That will give x equal to 1 or x equal to 2. Okay.